Hi, I'm Glenda, a Filipino citizen. And now at 47 years of age. 4 years ago, I had a massive hemorrhagic stroke which affected my left side of the body. After the stroke, I had undergone almost a year of physical therapy to regain my mobility. After which, I was able to come back to work even though I have a limited mobility. Then early this year, I was given the opportunity, the new technology offered by Allshark, which is the hyperbaric oxygen therapy. My physical therapist informed me that this technology can help me, and that time I also inquired with the oxygen therapy department. I have given a 20 session daily for 1 hour while I am also continuing my physiotherapy in Allshark. I may say that the pain during the stretching somehow lessened as I receiving the oxygen therapy. Even also my therapist noticed those changes. I believe it slowly given oxygen to my nerves, and I am hoping to have more freedom soon. Again, I just want to thank Allshark for giving me this opportunity, as well as with my doctor and the staff of the hyperbaric oxygen therapy department for letting me experience, and I hope this treatment will be available to anyone also that is having also this sickness, that it will help them as well. That's all. Bye.